What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be decluttering and organizing our dresser drawer. It's so crazy how we always are purchasing new clothes, but we tend to forget to throw out the dingy, old, worn out clothes that we no longer wear anymore. So today, that is what I'm going to be tackling. I'm going to go through every single item and figure out what can be thrown out and what we do in fact need to keep. Because this is the dresser that Nick uses and it's all of his clothes, it's a little bit harder to throw away items when it's not in fact yours. So what I'm trying to do is think about when the last time he wore something, or he's lost a lot of weight, so there were a lot of items that were oversized for him. So as much as he may like the article of clothing, there's no point in keeping something that is too big for you. Sometimes a wife just needs to take over and get stuff done. As I was going through everything, I saw there was a good amount of clothes that were for the summer, and now that it has gotten so much colder here in New Jersey, it's definitely time to store those away, but that is going to be for another day. When you guys declutter and organize your house, what do you do with the items that are in pretty good shape, but you just don't need to keep them around any longer? Do you donate them? Do you try and sell them? Let me know in the comment section down below. Personally, for us, we always tend to give it to the Lupus Foundation or any type of foundation that will come and pick up the gently used items and give it to other people who are less fortunate.
I know you've been down thinking about him again. I know that your heart's been broken. You should try and let it go and start being yourself.
When you have a lot of clothes, one of the best ways to fold your clothes is to fold it up 2 times. If you can kind of see what I'm doing right now, because this allows you to put your clothes in vertically so you don't end up messing up your drawers as you're trying to find something that you need. It allows you to see every single piece of clothing, which makes everything a lot easier. I've been doing this technique for about 2 years now, and it has been such a game changer.
Breakups leave the scars, you don't need to be ashamed. Everyone's got their hearts broken sometime. Let's go out and lose our minds, forget all about him. You can put on your dress, dancing to your favorite song. Everybody will sing along.
It's always a great feeling to start to see the floor again and know that you are almost finished. There are so many times when I start tackling something in my house and halfway through I'm kind of over it, but I just keep pushing through because I know in the end it's so worth it. Let me know if you guys are the same way in the comment section down below. Because I was able to get rid of a good amount of clothes, I decided to add some t-shirts and jeans that he had up in the closet now into the drawer because we actually have the room. So this is the big pile of clothes that I'm going to be getting rid of. A lot of this stuff was either like dingy or things that he really doesn't wear anymore, but for some reason wanted to really hold onto it. So I'm really just going to fold this stuff up. Anything that's in pretty good shape we can give away to the Goodwill, and anything else just will be thrown into the trash. So this top drawer is like socks and underwear, so we're not even going to get into that. I will declutter that off camera. But since I was able to get rid of a lot of stuff, you guys saw me take clothes out of the closet, and I was able to get all of that stuff right up in here. Then the second drawer is just shirts. I had to mix some of the short sleeve shirts with the long sleeve shirts, but still in nice shape. More shirts. I am going to see if he can go through this again and see about getting rid of any other shirts, because that's about like 2-3 drawers filled with shirts, so nobody can wear that much stuff. And then this drawer is going to be, you know, your lounge shorts and jeans, everything like that. And then the bottom drawer is nothing but sweatpants and pajamas. Definitely a huge improvement.